Welcome, in front of me is a NUBIA Red Magic 7 and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key and select power off. Now once the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. And from here, as you can see, I did hold it a little bit too long, so when I was letting go of the power key, it did accept one of the options as an input, which was unfortunately the language selection. So I'm gonna try to back out. Apparently I rebooted the device, I think. So I'm gonna let go of the power key. There we go. So from here, select your language using volume keys and then confirm it with power key, and you are in the recovery mode. Now here we have only one option, I guess, which is wipe data, and then we have two ways of actually leaving this mode, so reboot or power off. And just as before, use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. So I'm gonna select reboot, and this will take me back to Android. So as you can see, we're back in Android now. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.